Say for apple pie, golden and round, sweet and yummy, best dessert found. B for burger, big and tall, cheese is dripping, I want it all. C for cupcake, pink and bright, frosting swirls are pure delight. C for donut, chocolate ring, sprinkles dance as we all sing. C for Eggman, soft and sweet, creamy filling is such a treat. C for F for fries, crispy fun, crunch, 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 I'm never done. C for garlic bread, golden slice, toasty butter, oh so nice. H for hot dog, yummy roll, ketchup swirl makes it whole. I for ice cream melting fast, let's see quickly make it last. J for jelly, wibble wobble go, jiggly giggles, fun to show. K for kebab on a stick so neat, veggies and meat, what a treat. Sim for Maori pop, candy swirl, rainbow colors make me twirl. M for muffin, choco delight, soft and fluffy morning bite. N for noodles, twist and spin, let's slurp them up with a happy grin. O for omelette, fluffy and bright, breakfast magic, what a sight. P for pizza, cheesy fun, slices for me and everyone. Q for quesadilla, cheesy hug, folded warm like a tasty rug. C for roll, round and small, soft and warm, I'll eat them all. Say for sandwich, layer on layer, veggies and cheese, taste so fair. T for taco, crunchy and sweet, filled with joy in every bite to eat. The U for udon, slurpy delight, long noodles dancing in sunlight. V for vanilla cake, soft and sweet, every birthday can't be beat. W for waffle, golden square, syrup dripping everywhere. Tutti, spicy and warm, flavors swirl like a tasty storm. Say for yogurt, smooth and cool, healthy snack for every school. C for zucchini, pizza, end of line, A to C, fruits all taste divine. E, B, C, come sing with me, yummy foods from A to Z. Crunch and munch, let's clap and play, fast food fun, the learning way. E, B, C, come sing with me, yummy foods from A to Z. Happy ears, E is for ambulance, zooming fast and bright, helping people day and night. Pride. It falls from the tree onto the ground. C is for banana, long and sweet. Peel it and eat, what a yummy treat. C is for cherry, tiny and red, hanging together just like we said. D is for dragon fruit, pink and bright. It glows like stars in the moonlight.
Is for elderberry, purple and small, tiny and juicy, we love them all.
F is for figures, soft inside. Open it up, what's there to hide?
G is for grape, green and round, rolling and bouncing all around.
Yeah. H is for honeydew, melon so sweet, cool and juicy, summer's treat.
I is for Indian gooseberry, green and tart, good for your tummy and your heart.
J is for jackfruit, big and strong. It smells so sweet all day long.
K is for kiwi, fuzzy and small, cut it in half, green for all.
L is for lemon, sour delight. Add a little sugar, it tastes just right.
M is for mango, golden and sweet, drippy and juicy, what a treat.
N is for nectarine, orange and bright, shiny and soft in morning light.
O is for orange, full of cheer, squeeze it for juice, yum yum here.
U is for pineapple, tall and proud, dancing to music, laughing loud.
Q is for quinsic, yellow and new, a funny fruit that few kids knew.
R is for raspberry, soft and red, little round berries for jam and bread.
S is for strawberry, sweet and small, we pick them fresh in early fall.
T is for tangerine, tiny and bright, peel it up, oh what a sight.
U is for umba, green and round, from sunny Brazil it's sweet and sound.
V is for Volganga, from far away, let's clap and sing, hooray, hooray.
B is for watermelon, red inside, cool and tasty, what a ride.
X is for seagull, from China's land, like watermelon, oh so grand.
I is for yellow passion fruit, shiny and sweet, tiny seeds, a lovely treat.
Z is for zucchini, green and long, let's end the day with our fruit song. Let's learn our ABCs. Come sing along with me. From I to Z, in the garden we'll see cute veggies smiling, happy and bright, learning letters morning to night. Jat the A's for asparagus, tall and green, standing proud and looking keen.
strong and true.
Giving us energy, me and you.
Tide T is for tomato, juicy and red, rolling and